Hey everyone, welcome back to Homeschool. And if I ask you a question, what is Ohm's law? I know many of you would comfortably tell the definition of Ohm's law because it's very famous. We read that so many times. But if I ask you different formulae of Ohm's law, you get confused. Look at this question, very famous question for both Karnataka State Board and CBSE. See, let me read out the question first. The correct formula that shows relationship between potential difference, electric current and resistance in an electric circuit is, 4 options are given. So you have to select the correct relationship, the correct formula between potential difference, current I and resistance R. The relationship is based on the Ohm's law. So the definition of Ohm's law goes this way, right? The current passing through a conductor is directly proportional to voltage between the 2 points provided temperature is constant. I know, the definition is very easy for everyone. And if I ask you the mathematical form of Ohm's law, then it is, we write it as, V is equal to IR. Even this formula also everybody remember. But look at here, this particular option is not there, right? V is equal to IR is the actual Ohm's law form that we have studied on a regular basis. Whereas look at here, none of the definitions are actually like V is equal to IR. The same thing you can write it in different forms by rearranging, okay? But many students feel it difficult to rearrange itself, okay? Or if you want to remember the different forms of Ohm's law in a very quickest way possible, then here is the trick that you should follow. So I am giving you a wonderful trick to remember all the different formulas of Ohm's law, all the different forms of Ohm's law. Trick is very simple. Just remember the word Veer. Okay, so just remember this. Put a triangle, divide to half, okay, and again this part you divide to one more half over. Write V here, I here and R here over. This is what you need to do. And now see how I will write the different formulas based on this triangle diagram. Okay, see this V is equal to I and R. This is one form, we all know. V is equal to IR. V is equal to, at the base you have I and R. So V is equal to IR. So this is one form, very famous, everybody knows this. Now see other forms how I will write. Okay, so I'll write I is equal to, if I close this I, look at here, V, at the bottom you have R. So V line, that is divided by R. This is the second form. And now third form I will write R is equal to, I'll close this R, what you have, V you have, divided by I, right, over. See, we wrote what is V is equal to, we wrote what is I is equal to, we wrote what is R is equal to. These are the 3 forms of Ohm's law. So now you select any one form whether it matches with the options or not. V is equal to IR, form is not there, leave it. I is equal to VR, is it there? I is equal to V by R, I is equal to V by R, it should be there, but here it is VR, it's wrong. Now R is equal to V by I, is it there? R is equal to V by I, then this is the correct option. See how quickly, how easily we got the option. So if you want to remember the different forms of Ohm's law, these are the different formulas of Ohm's law. Depending on the given quantity you will calculate. If V and R is given, you will use this formula to calculate current. If V and I is given, you will use this formula to calculate resistance. If I and R was given, you will use this formula to calculate voltage, right? So you don't need to think too much to rearrange also. Just remember this diagram, triangle, V you write on the upper side, divide half, Okay, I and R you write in the bottom side. Remember this pattern, Veer. That's it. So V is equal to IR. I is equal to V by R. R is equal to V by I. That's it. Okay, so this is how my teaching is going to be in the live classes. Okay, so the purpose of sharing this trick is many people were kept on messaging me and calling me asking how I do a concept revision in my live classes. This is how I will revise the concepts in the live classes, guys. Okay, so the entire syllabus I'm going to cover. See, target 95 courses which I have launched in homeschool application. Do not forget to check it out. And if you are purchasing a course, purchase it fast, because I have shared some videos on basics. Okay, until and unless you are okay with the basics, you can't understand actual concept. So I have shared basic videos also already in the courses, where people started watching already, because it is starting from December 3rd for SSLC board and December 7th for CBSE board. Before that, you should be thorough with the basics. So purchase it as early as possible, and this is one simple example I'm sharing with you to show how my live classes are going to be. So this is how, if you want many such tricks and tips to remember certain things for exam point of view, you know, definitely go for these target 95 courses, guys. So 2 courses I have. One is for Karnataka board. Okay, and another course is for CBSE board. You know, whichever is relevant for you, that one you can select and carry on. So my purpose of introducing these courses is to increase your confidence levels to face the board examination with ace. Any sort of such question, you can just select the option just with the blink of your eye. Okay, so that is that kind of a confidence I would like to give you all through these courses. It's a 2-month course, you all know it, and please download homeschool application for these courses. I do conduct live classes like this in homeschool application itself. Okay, and share and spread the word to your friends also. So thank you very much. See you in the next video. Okay, so good luck.